Hi friends, welcome back to new video. In this video I'm sharing with you how to connect Canon 3440 printer with mobile and how to print from mobile very easily. TS3440 is one of the best all-in-one printer from Canon brand. It has print, copy, scan and wireless functions. Please note, internet connection is not required to connect printer to mobile and print. Just enter the password and connect to Wi-Fi. First, connect the power cable into the socket of the back side of the printer. After that, turn on the printer. Press on the power button and wait few seconds for the printer initializing process. When the printer is ready to use, you can see 0 on the display. Next, let's see how to know and get the Wi-Fi password of this printer. First, press and hold the information button for 5 seconds and then release it. This will print out all the information about this printer, including the Wi-Fi password. If you are a new viewer of this channel, like and subscribe this channel and click on the bell button to receive notification of new uploaded videos. This channel based on the printer information and many videos have already been uploaded about the latest printer unboxing and printer features. Also, we are uploading videos of refill cartridges of different models and brands. This is the printout. Details can be seen on this network configuration page. All network information for this printer is available in these two printout. Wi-Fi details are on the second page. Wi-Fi name is given as SSID. This SSID is shown as the Wi-Fi name on the mobile. Wi-Fi password is available here. AGLM55771. This is the Wi-Fi password of this printer. Next, let's see how to connect to mobile and how to print from mobile. First, search for Wi-Fi on the mobile. You can see the printer model number as Wi-Fi name. Touch on that name. Next, enter the password. Enter this password correctly without error. Password contains English capital letters and numbers. After typing correctly, touch on connect shown below. Now Wi-Fi is connected. Touch on connect again in the next window. Now you can see that Wi-Fi is connected. It can also be seen that there is no internet connection. But don't worry, because internet connection is not required to connect printer to mobile and print. Next, let's see how to print from mobile. First, open the file to be printed on the mobile. Go to three dots above it and give the print option. The next window is print settings. From this window, first select our connected printer number, then adjust number of prints and paper size, landscape or portrait, etc. Then finally touch on print option. Done. We will get this file as print in few seconds. You can see that the file given to print has been printed. In this method, you can easily print everything from your mobile. This video winding up now. If you have any doubts or need to know anything more about this video, comment on this video. See you on next video. Thanks friends. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.